Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add manor house interior back and exterior back. In your most recent cabinet catalog, right-click on the cabinets that you're wanting to add the modifications to. In this example, we are going to add the manor house interior back to the tall cabinet and the manor house exterior to the base cabinet. We are going to right-click on the utility cabinet and go into the attributes. Once in the attributes of the cabinet, we are going to go to add-ons and then back modifications. Once in back modifications, you can choose style A or style B. In this example, we are going to select style A and hit apply and OK. For the back base cabinet, we are going to go into the attributes, go to add-ons, open up base modifications, open up back modifications, and go down to tongue and groove exterior finish back. Again, this is also style A or style B. In this example, we are going to select style B and hit apply and OK. You will now see that the modification has been added to the back of the cabinet and also into the interior of the tall cabinet. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!